Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to show you how to install the Gator SFX trifold on this 2020 Ram 2500. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now when your cover comes out of the box, this is what you're going to look at the bottom of the cover. You're going to see you've got a couple of tether straps here. You got your clamps over here on this side. First thing you want to do is go ahead and slide one of those clamps over, get it through your tether straps. Get it over here to this side because you want to have the tether straps on the inside of the clamps. Next, you're going to go ahead and take the cover. This is your bulkhead seal. This needs to go right on top of the bed of the truck, on top of the bulkhead, and then center it side to side on your bed caps. All right, once you've got it centered side to side, go ahead and undo your clips and fold it back to the tailgate. All right, from this location, we want to go ahead and center it side to side at the tailgate as well. And once you have it nice and centered, locked in the location, go ahead and fold it forward very gently so that you do not shift the position of the cover. And now we can go underneath and set the clamps and the tether straps. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and drop our clamp down. You'll notice on that clamp it's got a jaw that's got to reach underneath the bed cap. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide that over, rotate that jaw around to that bed cap. We're going to hold it in position, just rotate this knob. That's going to ride up the threaded shaft and push this jaw up to the bed cap. Now make sure that you're biting down on the metal flange, not just the plastic bed cap cover. All right, once it makes contact to that metal flange, you'll just continue to tighten it down to compress the seal on the cover, and you'll see this kind of lower down to the bed cap. Don't over tighten that, just get it nice and snug. Next, we're going to take our tether strap and loosen up that tether strap, put it onto our bed cap, and then tighten the tether strap clamp to the bed cap. Now repeat the same for the opposite side. Now that we have the front clamps and tethers set, go ahead and fold the cover to the back. Rear clamp just drops right out of the rail. We're going to slide it over to the bed cap, pull down and lock onto the bed cap. Do that on the opposite side as well. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.